How's it going, folks? My name is Mark Millett from Solar World, and I'm going to keep you updated on the projects that we're working on. So I've been down in Houston for this is the 5th day now, and it's Saturday. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I finally just finished. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick walkthrough on what we're doing. Okay, so this is the transfer switch by Generac that we are using to help with the off-grid application. Let me explain this to you. So, okay, outside power is coming in as a generator instead of like main feed power, right? Because main feed power is actually coming from the inverters. We're keeping an off-grid application as much as possible. And if for maintenance like today, I could shut the system down. Now we can go to the transfer switch, transfer overloads, and keep everything nice and safe. So this is the upgraded panel box that we ran. So we have L1, L2 for each one of the inverters. There's 6 of them, so there's a grand total of 12 lines coming in, 6 individual breakers. These 2 breakers here are for transformer 1 and 2. Now, what makes that unique is that's 120 volts. Ran to the neutral line, pulling from 240. So that balances the lines, for like basic air conditioners and things like that. So here I'm going to end up putting like a push button display on the face itself, so they can transfer over loads in case they need to or for whatever reason. So we have a grand total of 120 amps power output, ran on 120 amp 1/0 wire with a 125 amp breaker. Each one's rated for 20 amps total, and that's the max capacity of each one of the inverters. Around 21.5 actually, but it can only hold it for about 10 seconds or so. So we have breaker 1, 2, and 3 for 2 for each inverter, right? That's PV line coming in. This is the original junction box that the actual panel was designed for, and then we upgraded it, used it for a junction hub, tore all the guts out pretty much, and just ran everything over here. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you outside. Is this thing playing? I don't know. Terrible at this. Anyways, there's grand total of 16 additional panels onto this platform. There are 32 sitting on top. We have two central AC units coming off of this. This is the sub panel that we ended up putting in. So we're just now closing all this jazz up. Finally. Come on, you bastard. Anyways. Okay, so on this side, we're not doing net metering, of course, right? So we're coming in from solar, coming up on top, and then PV going from the array. So the electrical panel itself, these right here is the 80 amp transfer switch, incoming power in case that I need to do any type of maintenance. Oh my God, this is the customer's rat nest of holy hell. He's sitting here. Anywho, yeah, it's been fun. So as you can tell, the meter's not moving. We're living off of solar, battery, utilities last. But as you can see, that meter is not moving. And we are not doing net metering because we want to be able to keep the electrical supply itself. Anyways, walk you through this bad boy. Like I said, 16 solar panels built onto a custom frame. Wood, 6x6, 2x6 constructed, stained and treated, screwed and nailed to holy hell. Lag bolts going through for a pivot joint. Wires still need to be dressed up, but they're live, they're active, they're working, system's tested, and I'm about ready to go home. All right, anyways, thank you. God bless.